Okay, you guys, I still can't believe this incredible journey happened to me. As a full time nurse with three energetic kids under 8, my life was often total chaos. Between work and family, finding time for anything else felt impossible, but I knew I needed a change. I decided to take a chance and paid the small $29.95 startup fee for PartnerCo. That's literally less than one quick grocery run for my family, making it so accessible. Just 6 short weeks later, by consistently applying the power of 4 strategy, I proudly hit gold status. Then, an amazing 2 months after that, PartnerCo handed me a fantastic $10,000 savings bonus check. And the excitement doesn't stop there. I'm already qualified for an incredible trip to Maui next year. I still work my nursing shifts, but now it's entirely by choice, not because I have to.
That's insane, Jess. I was a high school teacher, zero experience. First weekend, I bought a 10-pack of Tahitian Noni Original. Sold 3 boxes to friends and family, and my entire box was free. Made profit day 3. Then I just enrolled for buddies. 8 weeks later, I unlocked matching bonuses across 5 generations and quietly replaced my whole teaching salary. I haven't set an alarm clock for anyone else in over a year. Best decision I ever made.
You two are killing me. I run 2 other businesses, so I had no time to mess around. I went big, hit ultimate level, 1,500 PV in my first 4 Fridays. That gave me 30% new volume bonuses right away plus shares of the global pools. Last month, I posted $18,400 in 1 month inside our private group. And I still only work PartnerCo a few hours a week around my other companies. Join Sarah and discover how PartnerCo can transform your financial future. Do it now.